One AI can do the full workload of multiple employees with speed, accuracy, and zero burnout. Imagine waking up one morning and realizing the job you've been doing for years can now be done by a single AI tool faster, cheaper, and without mistakes. This isn't science fiction. This is 2025. AI is moving so fast that entire departments that once needed dozens of people can now run with one person in a powerful AI system. Today, we're breaking down the AI tools that can replace up to 90% of office jobs, and why understanding them is the only way to stay ahead. Let's get into it. AI assistants like GPT-5 agents, Gemini Office AI, and Microsoft Copilot 2.0 have changed how office work functions. These systems can now read and reply to emails automatically, attend meetings for you, generate complete summaries, turn discussions into tasks, build schedules, draft legally structured documents, create presentations, and even negotiate with vendors or clients. One AI can do the full workload of multiple employees with speed, accuracy, and zero burnout. Because of this, roles like administrative assistants, schedulers, HR coordinators, data entry clerks, and basic customer service positions are being replaced rapidly. The efficiency is impossible for businesses to ignore. In finance, AI has transformed every process. Tools like Intuit Assist AI, Sage AI, Oracle Autonomous Finance, and Stripe Sigma can now generate balance sheets instantly, detect fraud in real time, file taxes automatically, audit accounts without human involvement, track financial health, and predict future revenue with high accuracy. Companies that used to hire large finance teams now rely on one or two people to oversee what AI has already completed. Accounting has shifted from doing the work to reviewing the work AI already did. Marketing departments are changing even faster. What once required writers, editors, designers, ad specialists, video editors, and managers can now be handled by a single skilled person using AI tools. Runway Gen 3 creates full studio-quality videos from text alone. Midjourney and Ideogram produce high-level graphics and thumbnails. ChatGPT and Claude write scripts, blogs, ads, and copy. Opus Clip and Hypefury automate social media content and schedule hundreds of posts. The modern marketer doesn't spend hours editing or designing, they command multiple AI tools that produce everything in minutes. Many businesses have already downsized their creative teams because one AI-powered marketer can outperform an entire department. AI is also taking over roles once considered safe, like managers and analysts. Tools such as Perplexity Enterprise, Microsoft Copilot Studio, Notion AI Workspace, Tableau Pulse, and Palantir AIP can analyze company data instantly, generate full business strategies, predict risks, create custom dashboards, assign tasks, track KPIs, and recommend decisions. This eliminates a significant amount of work done by business analysts, project coordinators, operations managers, and even team leads. Management used to rely on experience and intuition. Now it's driven by data, and AI has access to more data than any human ever could. Human resources, once entirely dependent on human interaction, is now heavily automated. AI-hour systems like Workday AI, LinkedIn Talent AI, SAP SuccessFactors, and Eightfold Talent Intelligence Screen resumes automatically, conduct first-round interviews, analyze voice and tone, predict long-term performance, generate onboarding processes, build training programs, and create performance evaluations. Many companies don't involve a human until the final interview stage. It saves time, removes personal bias, and drastically reduces costs, so companies are rapidly shifting toward AI-driven hour. Here's what all of this means in simple terms. AI is not replacing jobs, it is replacing tasks. But if 80% of your job is repetitive tasks, then yes, your job becomes replaceable. If your job involves creativity, decision-making, problem-solving, leadership, or human emotional connection, AI won't replace you, it will empower you. You'll be faster, more effective, and far more valuable than someone who refuses to adapt. So the real question is not, will AI replace my job? The real question is, will AI replace you, or will you replace the people who don't learn AI? In 2025, AI is not the future, AI is happening right now. And the people who understand how to use it will win every opportunity the next decade brings. We're living through the biggest technological transformation in human history. Some people will ignore it, some will panic, but a few will use it to build extraordinary things. If you want to stay ahead of this new world, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Now tell me in the comments which AI tool do you think is the biggest game changer?